Hello, my name is Fabian Hippolyte, and I'm the proud principal at Chapel Hill Preparatory School. Thank you for joining us today for this celebration. While current conditions will not allow us to gather in person, we could not miss the opportunity to celebrate this milestone for Chapel Hill Preparatory and the Farmers Branch community. Today, we celebrate not just the new addition to our school, but also to our dedicated educators, our talented students, and our amazing families. Together, we are working to create a caring environment where teaching and learning are evident and students are empowered to reach their full academic potential. We will start today's program with performance from our Chapel Hill Preparatory cheerleaders.
We don't need no water, let the flames get higher. The Charger's on fire. We don't need no water, let the flames get higher. The Charger's on fire. We don't need no water, let the flames get higher. 1, 2, 3, Chargers.
Thank you, cheerleaders, for showing your school spirit. It is my pleasure to welcome our trustee, Dr. Edwin Flores, and our superintendent of schools, Dr. Michael Hinojosa, to today's celebration. Dr. Flores is the managing partner and founder of the intellectual property law firm of Chalker Flores, LLP in North Dallas, where he focuses his practice on biotechnology patent law. One of the longest-serving trustees, he has represented District 1 on the Dallas Independent School Board with distinction. Dr. Flores and his wife are also the proud parents of 2 Dallas ISD students. And what can we say about our superintendent of schools? Dr. Michael Hinojosa has shown tenacity, courage, and vision in the face of numerous challenges. His vision and hard work have propelled our district forward in its mission to prepare all students to graduate college and career ready. Please join me in welcoming Trustee Flores and Superintendent Dr. Hinojosa.
Good morning, my name is Edwin Flores and I'm the proud trustee for District 1, and I'm so glad to be here at Chapel Hill Preparatory. The amazing work that has been done. And so first and foremost, I'd like to thank the taxpayers that approved the 2015 bond and that have made this project possible. As everybody knows, Chapel Hill Preparatory is one of our personalized learning academies, and we're so excited about the work that's going on here. The students are so engaged, and this is such a fantastic community that has really embraced, the school. And before we walked in, somebody who just arrived at the school asked if this was a brand new school. So that really is a testament to the hard work of the architects and the project team, the construction team that made this project possible. When one approaches the building and sees the beautiful entryway, it really is welcoming to the children. And so we're so very grateful. And of course, the parents and the community that has surrounded the school and has made it such a fantastic school. So we're just here very grateful to be here for this ribbon cutting. Thank you.
Greetings and congratulations to the Chapel Hill Preparatory School community. Thanks for the invitation to join you, and thank the community for its support for the $9.7 million in renovations and improvements to your campus. The bond program improvements that we are celebrating today are ushering in a new day in Dallas ISD. Schools are receiving upgrades that have often been neglected for decades. Sometimes the improvements are less obvious, like a new roof, heating and air conditioning, a new PA system, and electrical system upgrades made here at Chapel Hill. Other times, there are improvements like a new marquee, lighting and windows, expanded parking, and better security that make the school safer and more convenient for parents and staff. Guess what? Chapel Hill is getting all of this and more. And thanks to the support of the Dallas voters, schools across the district are receiving improvements that will make our schools more comfortable, more attractive, and places where students can learn with pride. It is a joy to join you on this special day. Thanks to the principal, his staff, and parents for your support to make Chapel Hill an extraordinary place for learning.
Thank you, Trustee Flores, for your commitment to District 1 and your support of Chapel Hill Preparatory. And thank you, Dr. Hinojosa, for your outstanding leadership. Chapel Hill Preparatory is a pre-K 3 to 5th grade personalized learning campus. We provide a one-size-fits-one approach to instruction that customizes the learning of each student by focusing on their strengths, needs, and interests. At Chapel Hill Preparatory, our goal is to create a learning environment that allows student voice and choice in what, how, when, and where each student learns. One example of personalized learning in action is our morning meetings, where our young scholars and teachers set the tone and expectations for the day's learning.
Okay, we're gonna start with our morning meeting for today. And first, we're gonna do our greeting, saying good morning to our friends, and at the same time, you're gonna give your friend a ghost hug. So good morning. Good morning.
Chapel Hill Prep is fortunate to have active and involved parents, engaged community members, and outstanding nonprofit partners that support our school's vision and mission. Joining us today are our Chapel Hill PTA President, Ms. Vashti Connolly, and Kathleen Pryor with our community partner, United to Learn. Please join me in welcoming them.
Hi, my name is Vashti Connolly. I am the PTA President here at Chapel Hill Preparatory, and I am so delighted to join in the celebration of our recently renovated school. On behalf of the PTA, I would like to say how proud we are of all the teachers, staff, and especially the students here that work hard every day. Our dream is to see this school succeed as a vibrant and viable asset in this community. We welcome you to our school and hope to see you enrolling with us soon.
United to Learn is so very proud to partner with Chapel Hill Prep, and we are delighted to see this beautiful new entrance that truly transforms the face of the campus, enhancing the student experience and instilling school pride for the entire community. As a personalized learning campus, the faculty and staff of Chapel Hill have worked hard to create a unique learning experience for their students. We feel lucky that our United to Learn school liaison, Heather Balestri, has had the opportunity to help build Chapel Hill's garden classroom that is used by so many educators to create a beautiful and educational learning environment. This is also a school that cares deeply about the wellness of their teachers and seeks to continually elevate campus culture. And it's a campus that welcomes families and the surrounding community that supports them. Innovative, personalized, joyful, effective, Chapel Hill is a school where students develop into vibrant, lifelong learners. We couldn't be happier to see that the outside of the building now matches all of the wonderful things going on inside. Thank you, Chapel Hill and Dallas ISD, for your partnership.
All aspects of Chapel Hill Prep are child-centered and designed so that all students experience success and learn at a rigorous level. To develop the whole child, we offer extensive after-school and extracurricular activities, including our award-winning robotics program. Assistant Principal Samantha Culpepper will share more about our robotics team and innovative Get Googly after-school technology club.
Welcome to Chapel Hill Preparatory. My name is Samantha Culpepper, and I'm the proud assistant principal here. We offer a wide range of technology and resources to our students and staff to support instruction and learning. We also offer a variety of after-school clubs to all of our students. I support the Get Googly Club, where we have incorporated technology by practicing our typing skills, learning about Google applications, and exploring the world of 3D printing. Here in our library, we have 2 3D printers. The one that's currently working right now is our MakerBot, and it's creating one of these Chapel Hill chargers to give to our staff and students to display around the school to show their Chapel Hill pride.
Okay, what was the challenge for your season?
To make people stay active.
Over there, that's the clinic, and then here is like where people eat, and then that's where the dog park, and then that's the park for kids.
As we close this virtual ceremony, I want to invite you to become part of the Chapel Hill Prep family. We're currently enrolling students for next school year. You can visit www.dallasisd.org/Chapel Hill, CHAPELHILL, for enrollment information. On behalf of our amazing team of educators, incredible students, and last but never least, our supportive parents, we want to recognize and express to Dr. Hinojosa, Trustee Flores, the Dallas Independent School Board of Trustees, our architects, project managers, program managers, and construction team for creating an enhanced and welcoming learning environment. We also want to say thanks to you, the voters, for supporting the Dallas ISD Board bond programs. Thanks to your vote of confidence, Dallas ISD schools across the districts are receiving much needed renovations and additions that allow us to meet the needs of our 21st century learners. You can stay up to date on all Bond 2015 projects by visiting www.dallasisd.org/Bond 2015. We will close with our ribbon cutting. On behalf of Chapel Hill Prep, thank you for joining us and have a great day.